If you need to cancel a pending transfer at Billings Federal Credit Union, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Billings Federal Credit Union website or mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. View pending transfers. In the transfers section, look for an option that allows you to view pending transactions. Click on this option to see all transfers that are currently in progress. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel from the list of pending transactions. Click on it to view more details about the transfer. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for a cancel or delete option associated with the selected transfer. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for a confirmation message to ensure the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer at Billings Federal Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.